We're again improving our core income and our core profits quarter on quarter and on the same quarter last year, which is extremely important, especially in this environment. We are also showing an improvement in our CAT ratios, which are going up by 20 basis points, up to 11.2, Tier 1 at 8%. This is also extremely important in the current environment. And at the same time, I'm happy to report that we are keeping the balance sheet stable and actually showing a real reduction in our loan book, which is a bit what the market has been expecting. Not least, we are maintaining a strong liquidity position of 8.1 billion. That has been done by working in a structured way with our balance sheet, creating liquid assets from it, and it again shows the strength of our balance sheet in this environment. So I would say those are the highlights.
Today, when you presented the result, you got a lot of questions from the analysts and the international media. What was the key questions that you got?
Well, there are obviously a lot of questions about liquidity, but I think the market is now getting a bit more comfortable with that we are obviously starting to be quite experienced at maintaining liquidity in tight markets, and the solutions to funding banks are not just deposits or just issuing bonds on global markets. It's a series of many, many projects, and I'm extremely proud of the Treasury Department of the bank, how they've dealt with the situation. The other questions we got were related to more moving into the Icelandic economy and asset quality, and there obviously we were able to respond quite favorably with that. More than well, close to half of our portfolio is obviously in the Norwegian economy, which has been performing very strongly, and we are showing no signs of any impairment too. Looking at that, the market is comforted, also happy to see that CAT ratio is going up. The task now will be to maintain this good momentum, continue to be focused on costs, continue to maintain balance sheet growth and show reduction moving out of non-core lending into core lending, and strengthening all these ratios.
And the niche strategy, that seems to really start paying off now.
The niche strategy is paying off definitely, and I think it is fundamental to all of us. We have an heritage as an Icelandic bank and partially a Norwegian bank, and the seafood sector and the energy sector are very strong, strong niches for us to operate in. It also macroeconomically is a great sector for us to be invested in. So we can report that where do your foreign assets lie in a time where the global economy is facing quite a lot of turbulence, that we are in, geographically we are in Norway, a strong economy, especially favorable in this environment, and also the two sectors of seafood, the natural protein and the renewable energy, which is becoming extremely important, especially at these oil prices, and that's where our international exposures lie. This is a strong story, and it makes sense, and we are able to continuously add value to our clients, and this is what we will continue to focus on.
If you look at the business lines, capital markets is doing a fantastic job.
Yeah, I think all business lines are doing a great job, and I'm gratefully appreciative of the Glitnir staff and the team of what has been done with a lot of hard work. Both the initiatives have been taken on the cost side, facing obviously the hostile environment in this discussion through the Nordic countries, and continue to focus on profitability and maintaining the revenue line in this environment. Capital markets, we continue to perform very well. We've gained a very strong market share. But at the same time, we're also doing very well across most of our business lines. It is a mixture of all these things.
Lárus Welding, thank you very much.
Thank you.